Okay, I have a question for you guys. Am I wearing foundation, yay or nay? Yay or nay? Or is my skin just like this? You know? It looks so good. I am wearing foundation. Okay, I'm about to do a demo. I'm about to try it on my face. I'm about to tell you whether this is gonna be good for your skin tone. I'm about to tell you. If you're not sure whether you should buy this, this is gonna be the only video that you need to watch. Let's get into it. I have been searching for the perfect foundation in the world. It has landed. The new Bare Look Hydrating Skin Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid by YSL. $44. That is cheap. Okay, guys, that is kind of like, it's not luxury pricing, I'll tell you that. It's like high-end pricing, right? I would have paid $80. I used the Chanel one, the Le Beige one, you know what I'm talking about, with the little marbles in it. That one is like $65. I think I'd pay $80. If this had an $80 price tag, I'd be like, yeah. Okay, let me tell you something. Okay, hold on. I need to Google this. Okay, I feel like I'm tripping because I feel like this dropped like a year ago and no one paid attention to it and no one talked about it. Remember there was a YSL foundation that dropped 3 years ago? I think it was 3 years ago. And it kind of looks like this. Let me know in the comment section down below if you know what I'm talking about, because I remember YSL dropping a tint. Me being like, I want to try this, never tried it. Did they relaunch it? This kind of ish just dropped. We just start with the packaging. Everything about this is so chic. The carton is black and white and scrumptious and delicious. It's simple. It's not overdone. It's just enough. You know what I mean? Is anyone on this train with me? I just like minimalist stuff. And if you guys are wondering what my shade is, I'm in Nu 7. It's kind of like a neutral, what? Okay, I'm looking this up on Sephora and it says light medium with cool undertones. I would not classify this as cool undertones. Yeah, guys, if you are on the Sephora website, you're not sure which shade to buy, and you kind of have a similar skin tone to me, I have like neutral, warm leaning. Okay, guys, get Nu 7 if you kind of look like me, even though it says cool on the website. The heck is that? Guys, this is 30 milliliters, $44. Like I said, I feel like it's worth the price. The best part about this is that it's super light coverage. Okay, look at my sponge here. I got a lot on here. I got a lot on this sponge, and that's because you kind of need to build it up, right? You kind of do need to build it up, but I love the finish that this gives. This is like a hydrated, it looks like my skin. There's nothing cakey about this. It melted into the skin and it made my skin baby soft. It has hyaluronic acid in it and it gives such a radiant finish, but like really natural, not sweaty, just dewy and healthy and glowy. And if you wanted to incorporate this foundation into your winter routine, this is gonna keep you looking summer fresh all year long. I love that it's light coverage. I don't like when it's too cakey, you know what I mean? So it's nice, and I like that it's buildable. If you wanna wear makeup with this, like really kind of do it up, do the lashes, do the lip liner, I feel like this is good for that. And if you just wanna wear it like this and nothing else, perfect, you know? So if you are a more full glam baby, this is gonna be perfect for you. If you're more of like a natural baby, this is gonna be perfect for you because there's not too much coverage. However, it would still look good with concealer and bronzer and this and that, right? You can like build it up. You can make a look out of it. But if you wanted to wear literally nothing, there's not too many foundations you can say that about. Usually foundations look kind of weird. You kind of look like whited out, like no more dimension, you know what I mean? If you're just wearing foundation. And I just wanted to show you guys this because I'm only wearing foundation. I'm not wearing bronzer, I'm not wearing blush, and I still have shape to my face. You know, it just looks so natural. I don't know any other foundation like that. My skin feels so plump and moisturized. This blended out in 2 seconds. It is melting into my skin. Nothing is seeping into my fine lines or my pores. It's not making the little bumps on my forehead or the little bumps under my eyes any more noticeable or more textured. I really like that about this foundation. But it did a really good job of covering my redness, even though it says it's just a skin tint. I kind of built it up and it did a great job. Look, usually I have a lot of redness here. I'm just not seeing it. It's like my redness is gone. Let's talk about the ingredients. So as far as the ingredients, no parabens, no formaldehydes, no mineral oil. And guys, if you're sensitive to mineral oil, if that's gonna break you out and cause you acne, this does not have mineral oil, so check. And bonus, it comes in recyclable packaging. So once you're done, pop it in the recycling and away it goes. The texture of this, guys, it's like this water cream texture. It is gliding onto the skin. I'm basically like skiing this beauty blender. I'm gliding. So this is supposed to give you 24-hour hydration. And let me tell you, I'm about to hop on a flight right now. And if I wake up tomorrow, because I'm taking a red eye, if I wake up tomorrow and my skin feels plump, you're gonna know about it. Check my community posts. Radiant finish. It says that it gives a radiant finish. I can 100% attest to that. Look at my skin. It is literally catching the light so beautifully, so brightening. watching. This is the perfect, effortless, no makeup look. I feel like a Parisian girl. I just stepped out onto the cobblestone streets. I'm not wearing any makeup whatsoever, but I am wearing, you know what I mean? It's kind of like a little hidden gem secret. My skin looks so even, it looks so glowy, it feels so natural on the skin. I didn't even have to add bronzer to my forehead because it just lets the right amount of skin peek through. You know how sometimes like your forehead is darker than the rest of your face? And so then when you put foundation on your forehead, it kind of looks weird and you have to add bronzer so that you don't look like a flat Casper cardboard, you know what I'm saying? I don't feel like I need to do that with this. Everything just looks so even and I don't have to add anything else. Like, what is this sorcery? What is this magic? So yeah, guys, you saw me try it on. You now know about the claims. Look at my skin. It looks perfect. I love it. Buy it. You need this immediately now. Okay, you need this if you are looking for like a no makeup look, you want something soft and light, or you want something that is buildable and maybe you can kind of wear it out with a little bit of lash, a little bit of lip, you know what I'm saying? But I don't think this is gonna be good for you if you're looking for like a full glam look. If you are the type that likes like a matte, full coverage foundation, this is not that at all. This is kind of like a summer fresh, innocent, natural, beachy, girly, cute, pretty, French, classic Parisian. We're sipping tea on a terrace in the south of France. We are in LA on a beach. Like, it's that kind of a girl, you know? She's a traveler. She's a doer, she's a goer, she's a getter. This is what that foundation is. If you are like nightclub in Vegas, type thing, you're sweating, you're drinking, you know, like, or if you are like full glam lash, liquid lip, also no. You know, I'm just trying to like really typecast the different type of makeup wearers. No, I mean, listen, there is a full glam moment for everyone and there's a, you know, dewy fresh moment for everyone, and this is the dewy fresh. You want full glam? Let's talk Basma Beauty. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out because I just did a review on the Basma Beauty foundation stick. That's full glam, but also dewy and fresh and light and easy. You know what I'm saying? So check that out. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, this foundation is it's heaven sent. This foundation is heaven sent. You got dry skin, this foundation for you. It is, it really is. All right, guys, that is it. All right, guys, that is it. That is the full roundup. The new Bare Look Tint by YSL has my absolute stamp of approval. This is gonna be something that I'm gonna be reaching for over and over again. I have sung its praises throughout this video. I hope you guys pick it up. Let me know if you are not sure what shade to get, let me know. Sometimes you guys do that in the comments and I'm more than happy to help you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Michelle Bali. I am the makeup tester. On this channel, I test all the makeup so that you guys can make the right purchase decision. So if that sounds like the type of content that you need in your life, whether it's blush or foundation or brow stuff, I don't know. I test literally everything, guys, especially all the things that are new and just dropped. So if you love new makeup, you want to see if it's right for you, then make sure that you're hitting subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week. Peace.